Today we will be testing a Forex scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we'll be testing a Forex scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 226 different strategies, with 74 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 115 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,001 indicators, with 422 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we'll be testing a Forex scalping strategy. And so the source video says, is this the end of losing money in scalping? And so of course we're going to put that to the test and see what we can get out of this strategy and see if it is the end of losing money in scalping. So what we'll do is just go ahead and hide these two indicators here. The first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the moving average buy sell indicator, this one right here. And so you'll add that to the screen and you will jump into the settings, and under the moving average here, you're going to change that to 14. The next indicator you will want to add to the screen is going to be the CMEMA trend bars. CMEMA trend bars, this one right here. And so you'll add that to the screen, and again you'll jump into the settings real quick, and under the EMA uptrend setting you're going to change that to 200. Click OK, and you should have everything set up like I have on screen now. And so what we're looking for a long trade is we're looking for a long signal from the moving average buy sell indicator. And then what we're going to do is we are going to look for the CMEMA line here, and we want to be above that line, which means that our bar coloration will be colored green. And so once those line up, that's going to be your signal to enter into a long trade. We'll set our position right there. We'll put our stop just right below this last kind of pivot swing there, and we'll target this 1 to 1.5 risk reward. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see what we get. Alright, so it takes just a little bit, but we eventually work our way up there, getting us to our take profit. Alright, and for a short trade, what we are looking for is a short tag from the moving average buy sell indicator, and then we are looking at the CMEMA trend bars, and we want the price action to be below that trend line there, which gives us the red bars like this here. When those line up there, that's going to be our signal to enter into a short. We're going to put our position there, put our stop just right above that swing there, and we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like before. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see what we get. And again, we get a really nice push, getting us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. It has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. We'll also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 19 winning trades and 31 losing trades, putting it at a 38% 8% win rate. So with the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if we were looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $11,400. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $12,400 for an overall loss of $1,000 altogether. Definitely not going to put an end to losing money in scalping using this strategy. Compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 33 trades altogether. We had 27 winning trades and 6 losing trades, putting it at an 84% win rate. If we were looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $16,200. On the losing side, you would have lost $5,400 for an overall gain of $10,800 in about 3 months worth of trading. And so significantly better results all around. If you're interested in the Academy of Forex Indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for our Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator, and you do have to maintain your Patreon status, but still super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading system. All right, so let's go ahead and go over the weekly signals. So this is using the Academy of Forex Indicator on these 4 Forex pairs and this one crypto coin. This is on the 30-minute time frame. And we are keeping track of the signals that the Academy of Forex Indicator has given us each week. So last week on the Forex pairs, we had 3 trades altogether, 3 winning trades. A 100% win rate would have been a gain of $1,800. On the crypto coin, we had 2 trades, 2 winning trades, a 100% win rate again, and a gain of $1,200. That would have been an overall gain of $3,000 altogether. And so now at the 17-week total, we would have been up $32,140 over 149 trades. Really good stuff from the Academy of Forex Indicator. All right, that's it for this strategy here. This one's going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next video from here.